And push hip forwards. And up. Push your hip forwards. And up. This time stay a little. Let go a little. And up. We do again. Push. And up. One more. Push. And up. This time, arm up. Get ready, okay? Go, arch back, hold there, stay there, don't move. Oh, you're very good, 小胡. Okay, stay there, don't move. Don't move. 4 more counts, don't move. Good, and then up, back to the relaxed position. Stay. Stay there, let go. Okay, right now, all the way down, all the way down. Yes, just simply stay here comfortably. Right now, we do like up 1, both leg, 2, 10 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all the way down. Stay for a moment. And then we will do upper body. Also, we do 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We'll do one more time. Up first. Up first. Right now we do a leg, okay? Work on your hip muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax a little. We will do one more time upper body and then finish this. Stay. And arms straight front. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Right now, rolling over. Okay, hold your leg, stay there.